No complaint at all, very satisfied with the product. Would like to recommend. I had seen the rating and had bought the product. I don't regret. Even though I forget to switch off the lights, it has been working fine. Everyone must buy the product, I say. Excellent service from Amazon and Ausmith, delivery in time, quick service from Ausmith, installation done quickly, warranty registration and decorating panel order booked on same day. Installation is free, but we have to pay 950 rupees for pipes and knobs, but we will get receipt for it and worth to pay. Geese. I received product today. Today only I contacted customer care for installation. And today itself installation finished. Best service and best product. Heats water very fast. So far good for me. Easy installation by company B, 5-star rated, value for money, best in class. Using it for a year now, no issues found, and it keeps hot water for long time. Good product. Value for money. Good product. Takes 15 to 20 minutes at least on high temperature level to get hot water. A crackling sound you may listen during first minute of switching on the geyser. I guess it's normal when anode rod get heated up on high temperature. Only personal concern is that I always run out of hot water even in 15 capacity of geyser, though it also depends how long you take shower or frequent use of bathroom sink, kitchen sink, and especially if you have 3/8 cm water pipeline. Delivery was on time. For installation and 2 years of extended warranty, you have to call customer care number and book installation. Installation is free in metro cities only. You can ask if it's free or not at your place, and if it's not, then they charge 400 rupees plus water faucets, in-out, hose pipes. 2 faucets and 2 hose pipes may cost high in company installation, so I opted for installation from local plumber. I had branded faucets installed already, and 2 good quality hose pipes costed me 100 rupees from outside, 50 rupees each. In total 400 rupees I got complete installation. You should buy Ausmith water heater from Amazon, fulfilled seller only, and ensure completely sealed pack delivered product. Happy bathing. Nice product, noise-free operation, 5-star rated, so hope energy efficient. Looks cool. I hot one more panel, delivered at my place free of change, Tahar Courier. That's as great. Surely recommendable product. Product is good. I got it after 4 days of ordering. They did not come to install, I installed it locally. Really a good product, using since last 3 weeks, no issue yet reported. Water gets heat within 10 minutes, 15 LTR storage sufficient for small family, 3 to 4 members. Fast delivery by Amazon and 2 fast installation done by Ausmith team without any cost. Free installation available only in metro cities. Got a free red panel also, which looks cool on this product. Guys, go for it without any fear. I have ordered this product under Great Indwan Festival sale from Amazon and received it in 5 days for my location at Nagpur, Maharashtra. The packaging of the product was not done by Amazon, and it was delivered in the package by the manufacturer. The product in it was damaged. The outlet wall cap was cracked, and hence I have claimed for the replacement of TH product, which was done by the Amazon promptly. But the product I have received again is having same type of crack at same location. So, I have considered it as a transportation damage and decided to go with the product installation, as I have already spent enough days for my product to install, and hence was frustrated due to this. The Ausmith service is good and having international standards. They register the warranty of the product just by sending them a WhatsApp message. I have also received the front panel additional after registering the product warranty and claiming the front panel of different color for my bathroom matching color. The installation is free for Housesmith Inley in selected cities. Otherwise they will charge you 400 rupees, which excludes the cost of connecting hose pipes, which are to be bought separately for 400 rupees additionally. The product is easy to install, so I ordered the pipes from Amazon and I installed the product on my own. After using it for 5 days, I am satisfied with the performance of the product. The build quality is good and the accessories provided with the product is just 2 anchor bolts to hang the geyser on the wall. No attachments given for installation. The positive thing about Housesmith is that they are providing the power supply cord with the Frost, which is having the plug at the end. Many manufacturers are not giving such arrangements and the wires are barely open. It takes 10 minutes to heat the water to around 60 degrees and then 2-person can bathe using this water. I would recommend to buy it online only after checking rates from local supplier. In my case the difference was big, that's why chosen Amazon. Otherwise, to avoid the frustration caused due to damaged product delivery, you can always go for local distributor if the rate difference is not that much. It's very good product. Delivery was on time. Same day I called Housesmith customer care. Within 48 hours the installation guy came and installed geyser. I paid him for the pipes and ankle cork as it was not there in my bathroom. Installation was very quick. Thanks Amazon. Best looking heater in the market, hassle-free installation process, no boiling sound while heater is on. Got this for 1K, whereas I could have purchased it for 8K due to my laziness. The build is sturdy and a bit heavy at first with 2 indicators for power and heating. Click link in description for more reviews.